Hello Archers, Malcolm from Archery Victoria, doing a video today on how to purchase or to renew a membership in the Archery Australia membership system. A few things before we get started. Number one, when you are looking to join a club, if you're new to archery, make sure you actually speak to the club first. Some clubs have rules. You may have to fill out an actual application form. They may need approval. You may also be required to do a course or some sort of an introduction to archery before you join the club. So have a chat to them before you attempt to join the club via their membership system. The other thing to remember is that if you have any difficulties, the first port of call should always be your club administration. So whether you're a new member or you are a renewing member, if you're having trouble, talk to your membership secretary or the administrator of the membership system within your club, and they should be able to help. If they're unable to help, then you're more than welcome to contact Archery Victoria and we can assist in any way we can, or you can get your club to contact us and we can help them. Okay, on to the video. Simplest way to buy a membership, either buying a new membership or renewing an existing membership, to navigate it is to find the Archery Australia website, which is archery.org.au. I'll put that website up on the page for you. So on the front page, you'll see there's Become a Member or Renew Your Membership on the right-hand side of the screen. If I click on that, it will take me through to a new page, and there are two ways to buy a membership here, which is joining for the first time and renewing your membership. As before, if you're joining for the first time, please speak to your club before signing up, just so you understand exactly what their conditions are and how they want you to operate. But to join, you simply click on Join Here, and that will take you through to a new page, which is on the Assemble website. The address here is account.archery.assemblesports.io/sign up. And again, I'll put that website up on the screen for you. So here we create an account for the first time, like signing up for any online shopping. Quite often you'll have to create an account, same here. So what we do is we enter our email here, confirm the email, create a password, and then just some basic personal details. So first and last name, mobile phone number, birth date, country, and gender. Down here you'll see there's a box where you agree to the terms and conditions. And if you want to read those terms and conditions, you click on this button here. That brings up the terms and conditions. This relates to the website, the use of the website, not to your membership. If you want to read that, you certainly can. Once I've entered all my details, I hit Create Account. Because it works with an email address as a sign-in, it will require you to check your emails because it will send a code to you, which you will then input to confirm your account. Once you've created an account, you can sign in any time using your email address and password, and from there the process is basically the same as for an existing member. If I'm an existing member and I'd like to renew my membership, I would go to Renew Here and click that. That will take me through to the sign-in page on the Assemble website. The address is account.archery.assemblesports.io/login. So if I'm a new member and I'm wanting to sign in for the first time, I'd go to the same website. If I'm an existing member wanting to renew, this is where I go. So I'll simply enter my email address and password and hit login here. So once I've logged in, I'll come to the dashboard page. From here, I can search for registration options. So registrations means buying a membership, entering an event, anything where I'm purchasing from the website. So the easiest way is to go to search registration options, the button here, or I can go to search up here. Either way works. If I click on that, you'll see I'll come up to a new screen where I can search for a membership. So if I leave everything blank and don't put anything, you'll see there's all sorts of events and memberships come up here, and it will continue loading up new events. There's events that you can enter, such as state championships and national championships, and there's also memberships. So I'm thinking I want to join a club. I'll pick a club, let's say Geelong Archers, which happens to be my club. So I'll click on that, and that will filter out, and it will only show events or memberships that pertain to Geelong. So suppose I'm wanting to purchase a membership here. This is Geelong Archers adult 18 and over. So I would hit register and it brings up a new box down here, which gives me some information about it, which is it's the Geelong Archers senior membership. Cost is $350 and there's an age bracket that you have to fit within to buy that membership. So if I'm happy to go ahead with that, I'll click register. So the next screen that comes up is member details. So here, if I'm signing up for a new membership, I would enter member details. If I'm just renewing my membership, it will pre-fill my details from what it already knows. So the information that is pre-filled from your user account will be your name, your contact details, phone number, and so forth. If there's anything that's incorrect here, you can correct it here, except for the items that are greyed out. It'll ask for other information such as emergency contact, parental guardian contact. You can also, it'll keep the information on working with children checks. There's additional details down here that are optional that you can fill out, which is your bow type, home club, club code, other clubs that you belong to and what your interest is, a target field, indoor clout, etc. And there's also a question about Indigenous status. Down the bottom here, you'll see at Geelong Archers, there's a terms and conditions document. When you agree to the terms and conditions, you're happy to go ahead, you click on the box here, and next then becomes active. If you want to read the terms and conditions, it brings that up. In this case, it's the code of conduct that applies to that club. Not all clubs take advantage of this. It's up to the individual club whether they do or not. Once that's done, you simply hit next. Takes you through, there'll be some additional questions such as do you qualify for para or vision impaired archery. Some of these are set up by the individual clubs, some are set up by Archery Australia. If it says optional, you do not have to fill that out. On most memberships you'll see, or you should see, agree to the AA membership terms and conditions. That will always be compulsory. So I'm going to say yes, para or vision impaired archery. So once I've filled all that out, I can click next and it'll come up, do you want to perform another registration? I can perform more than one registration at the same time. For example, if I had a family member that I also wanted to purchase a membership for at the same time, or if after renewing my membership I wanted to enter an event, I can do that. In this case, I don't want to, so I'm going to click no. And it will take me through to a payment screen. So here I will fill in my credit card details over the side here. On this side, the shopping cart, I can remove it, I can edit it. So if I've decided no, that's not the membership I want, or I want to change some of the details. There's also a spot. Clubs can issue discount codes for various reasons. They may give you a discount for some reason. You can put the code in there. And down the bottom here is the total payment, which includes the 3% processing fee. On the right hand side, again, you can put in your credit card details and address, and once that's all done, hit pay and complete. There is an option as well to use Google Pay if you don't want to enter your credit card details direct. So once that's done, you'll get a receipt and your membership will be paid for. A lot of clubs will have an option where they have to approve memberships to finalise it. It will usually come up with a message to that effect. It just means someone at the club has to say, yes, we know who this person is, that it's not somebody that they're not aware of attempting to join their club. If you have trouble locating the membership category that you'd like to join at a particular club, you've always got the option to contact your administrator at that club. Every category has a unique code that can be input to locate that membership. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the process that you would follow if you've asked your club administrator or an Archery Victoria administrator to send you that. So I've been sent an email by Club Admin, which is a link to the membership category that I want to join. The link is here. So if I copy that link address, and then I can go to the login page for Assemble. And if I hit login here, and I've arrived at my dashboard, so I can just paste that into the address bar, enter. And it's taken me straight to the membership category that I want to join. So because it's taken me straight there, I don't even have to hit register here. It's already got it open for me with all the details. So it's got the age group and the price. So I'd hit register again, and that would enable me to register. In addition, each club has a portal, a dashboard that's specific to that club, which shows all the options for registration that that club has set up. So again, I've been sent an email here by an admin, and that's for the Geelong Archers dashboard. So if I again copied that link address, go back, I've signed into the system, and I paste that into the address bar. And here I am in the Geelong Archers portal, and it lists all the membership categories that Geelong Archers has set up within the portal, and I can scroll through them and find the one I want. If they added events to it, so for example, if the club was running a event such as our Warlong tournament that we have down here, that can be added to the portal as well, so it makes it easy to find for anyone that needs to. So that's a very quick rundown of the use of the system to buy or renew a membership within Archery Victoria and Archery Australia. Hopefully that was helpful. As always, if you're having trouble, first port of call is your club membership administrator or your club secretary. If they're unable to help, Archery Victoria is here to help. I'll put up a couple of email addresses that you can contact us on if you need any assistance with the system. And once again, hopefully I'll see you on the shooting line, and good shooting.